welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on these lipsticks from the brand Half and Half. This is a new brand for me. I have not used any other product from this brand. This is the first time I use something from this brand, and I guess this is a new launch of this brand. I'm not sure, but on Cuffs and Lashes website, it was showing in the new launch category. So I think this is a new launch, but I'm not sure. So I've got these 3 shades from this lipstick range. So I'll be sharing the swatches of these 3 shades which I have and my review about this lipstick in today's video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So this is how the outer packaging of this lipstick looks like. It looks so beautiful. This blue color packaging and this gold gold color detailing on this packaging looks so beautiful. So this is how it looks, and all the details are mentioned on this outer packaging. So this is their no transfer lipstick, and they say that this will last for 24 hours. So this lipstick retails for 299 rupees, and you get 2.5 gram of product in this. I think the quantity you are getting in this lipstick is very less. You generally get 4 gram or 5 gram of product in these kind of lipstick, but in this one you are getting only 2.5 gram, and the shelf life of this lipstick is 3 years. So this is how this lipstick looks from inside. It looks so beautiful. Again, this blue metallic packaging and this rose gold ring here, it looks so nice. It gives a very luxurious feel, and on the bottom you can see the shade number. So the shade name is not mentioned on the inner packaging, it's only mentioned on the outer packaging. Here there's a sticker here, but on the inner packaging the shade name is not mentioned, only the number is mentioned, and expiry details are also not mentioned. So that is not a good thing. I think they can add the expiry details at least, so that you will know कि कब ये lipstick expire हो रही है, because you won't be keeping this outer packaging with you. तो how will you know कि कब ये product expire हो रहा है? So it's always good to have the expiry details on the inner packaging itself. Anyway, so this is how this lipstick looks like. So it's a bullet lipstick, and this is how it looks. Again, from inside as well, it looks so nice. So you're getting this much of product. So the bullet which you get in this lipstick is this flat slanted bullet. I like these kind of bullets. It's very easy to apply the lipstick with this kind of bullets. I think there are 30 shades available in this lipstick, but I got this lipstick from Cuffs and Lashes, and there I see only 18 shades. But I think there are 30 shades available in this lipstick, and the shade range is really good. You get all kind of shades here, and you get a good variety of nude shades as well in this lipstick. So first let's see the swatches of these 3 shades which I have, and then I'll share my review about this lipstick. This lipstick is very creamy, and it's very easy to apply on the lips. It glides on smoothly on the lips. These are not highly pigmented lipstick, and you won't get opaque color in single swipe. This is not single swipe lipstick. You'll have to go over multiple times to get a full pigmentation on your lips, but still you get a good color on your lips. These are creamy lipsticks, but it will give a demi matte kind of finish on the lips, which looks really beautiful. And since it's creamy, it doesn't feel dry on the lips. It feels a little bit dry because it has matte finish, but it won't dry out your lips a lot, and it feels really light and very comfortable on the lips because it doesn't dry out your lips. They claim that it's a transfer proof lipstick. I don't think it's a transfer proof lipstick, but it transfers very less. Like you can see, it transfers very less, and the color of this lipstick on my lips is still intact. So if you're having some light snacks, this lipstick won't transfer much. It will fade away a little bit, but it won't transfer much. But if you're having some oily food or something, it will come off from the center part of your lips. Otherwise, it will last for a good amount of time. It will easily last for 6 to 7 hours. It doesn't last for 24 hours as they claim. बट जब ये फेड होती है बहुत अच्छा सा टेंट छोड़ देती है आपके लिप्स पे. सो that way you can say it will last for 24 hours maybe. Now if you talk about the price point of this lipstick, this retails for 299 rupees and you can easily get discounts on this lipstick on Cuffs and Lashes. Like currently also it's on discount, so the price point of this lipstick is really good and it's really affordable and it's easily available as well. I bought this from Cuffs and Lashes, but I guess it's available on Flipkart and Amazon as well, so you can easily get these lipsticks online. I'm not sure whether these are available offline. Online आप easily इनको buy कर सकते हैं. So overall it's a good lipstick and you can totally check it out. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.